Click the bell icon to get latest videos from Ekeeda.
Hello friends, in this video we are going to continue with one more problem which is based on property number 2 of definite integral. So let us start with problem number 8. Integral 0 to pi x into sine square x dx. Let us use the property first, where we are going to write x as upper limit pi minus x. So we have integral 0 to pi minus x into sine of pi minus x the whole square dx. We need to mention the property which is 0 to a f of x dx is equal to integral 0 to a f of a minus x dx. Now, how to find the value of sine of pi minus x? As we know, pi is a even multiple of angle 90 degree. So 90 degree into 2 will give you pi radians, that is 180 degree. Now, always remember that if we have an even multiple, there is no need to change the value of sine. Sine will remain sine only. Now let us check in which quadrant does the angle pi minus x lies. We know here we have 0, pi by 2 and pi. If we go in anti-clockwise direction, this gives you positive pi, and if we need to subtract minus x, we will go again in clockwise direction, because minus x, minus stands for negative angle and negative angle means clockwise direction. So pi minus x will give you second quadrant, and in second quadrant we know that sine is positive, so sine of pi minus x will be sine x only. So we have integral 0 to pi minus x, sine of pi minus x is sine x, and whole square can be written as sine square x dx. Now let us multiply this term to each of the term present inside the bracket. So we have integral 0 to pi sine square x minus x sine square x dx. Now we can separate the integral to both the terms. Here from the first integral we can take the pi constant outside the integral, and in the second integral you can see this is our original sum I. Integral 0 to x sine square x dx, we can consider it as capital I. So this will give you I is equal to pi times integral 0 to sine square x dx minus I. Now taking this minus I on the left hand side, I plus I will be pi integral 0 to sine square x dx. Now in the previous chapter integration, we have seen how to integrate sine square x and cos square x. To integrate sine square x, we need to use half angle formula of cos to theta. Now the formula of cos to theta is 1 minus 2 sine square theta. So on solving this equation, you will arrive at an equation as sine square theta will give you 1 minus cos to theta upon 2. Therefore, I plus I will give you 2i pi times integral 0 to sine square theta gives you 1 minus cos to theta upon 2. Similarly, sine square x will give you 1 minus cos 2x upon 2 dx. If I separate 2 to both the terms, this will give you 2i is equal to pi times integral 0 to half minus cos 2x upon 2 dx. Now let us separate again integral to both the terms. 2i is equal to pi integral 0 to pi half dx minus pi integral 0 to pi cos 2x upon 2 dx. Further, we can take half constant outside the integral, and from here also we can take 1 by 2 constant outside the integral. So we have integral pi by 2 0 to pi integral dx minus pi by 2 integral 0 to pi cos 2x dx. On integrating, this will give you 2i is equal to pi by 2 integration of dx is x from 0 to pi minus pi by 2 integration of cos 2x will give you sin 2x upon 2 from 0 to pi. On further solving, we will get 2i is equal to pi by 2, upper limit is pi minus lower limit is 0, minus pi by 2. Again we have upper limit as pi, so this will give you sine of 2 pi minus sine of 0 upon 2. As both sine 2 pi and sine 0 are 0, so 0 minus 0 upon 2 will give you 0. Therefore this entire bracket will become 0. So this will give you 2i is equal to pi by 2 into pi, that is pi square upon 2. On transferring 2 on the right hand side, which will multiply with this 2, therefore I will be pi square upon 4. This is our final answer. I hope friends you have understood this problem. Thank you for watching this video. Stay tuned with Ekeeda and subscribe to channel Ekeeda.